Peeping Boys Fresh Cut. Let's get to this fact. A snowstorm is coming. You know what that means? It means grocery stores are turning into survival documentaries. Here's a fun fact for you. Before storms, grocery sales spike 30 to 50% more. That's things on like milk, bread, eggs. Like we're all open to a French toast restaurant. Another fact. People buy more food than power outages actually last. No one's ever starved during a snow day. But we all prepare like it's a trial run. And the funniest part, the shelves are empty. But the parking lot is still full because everyone had the same idea on the same day at the same time. All right, meeting. I got to get out of here, though, before I go check the forecast again. Peace and stay safe.